Well, here's an absolutely stunning Corvette 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 2LZ Coupe, 700 plus horsepower. Now, you may think this looks like a white car. It's a little bit different in the shading. No, this is an absolutely beautiful color that we don't see here too often here on cars we sell at buyavette.net. This is ceramic matrix gray on the exterior, a stunning color. And combined with that jet black interior, it's absolutely beautiful. As we said, under the hood, 700 plus horsepower supercharged LT4 engine with 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include the $3,565 2LZ package. This includes the Bose 10-speaker AM, FM, XM, MP3 stereo with steering wheel controls, auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, dual power seat bolster and lumbar, advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door transmitter, memory package. It also has the front camera as well. Has that carbon flash painted outside the mirrors and the rear spoiler, black wheels, remote start, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capability, heads-up display, magnetic selective ride control, rear differential cooler, multi-mode exhaust, dry-sump oil system, Bluetooth package, keyless entry and start. Everything on this car, of course, is power, and it shows just 11,771 miles. You're getting a car that's almost new, and this vehicle's in good condition. The car's paint is very good. The great shine, clear protective film has been added to the front bumper, and the factory black wheels, they're very good to excellent condition, look absolutely beautiful. Now the interior, as you can see here, shows very good to excellent factory leather seats, very good steering wheel, center console, door. Check the information down below. You also see the pricing there, which will be pretty nice as well. Beautiful car, absolutely stunning car. You can find out more about it here at buyavette.net by giving one of our sales representatives a call at 770-414-5552. Remember, we ship nationwide every week, less expensive than you could ever imagine, and we make buying online something you can do with ease and confidence. So give us a call today. We hope to hear from you real soon. We're located in Atlanta, Georgia. If you're going through Atlanta, stop in and see us anytime. Buyavette.net. Hope to see you real soon.